Hey guys, it's Cutie Coupons, and guess what? Today is your lucky day because with all the madness and craziness going on in the world, we need to figure out how to make money from the comfort of our own home.
Yes, cuties, I'm back at it again. Trust me, this is not something hard to comprehend. It's real simple, like 1, 2, 3. Either the price real low or I'm getting shit free. Paper or digital, don't matter to me. To see the price drop, man, it's so addicting.
Right? So I am going to show you how you can make passive income on Amazon on a daily basis. Now, when I say passive income, that means when you are asleep, you are making money. You're going to post the deals, go to sleep, you wake up, cha-ching, you see money. Okay. Now, I'm going to go over a couple of details with Amazon, but first I'm going to show you how you can sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so when it comes to affiliate marketing, of course, you need someone that you can post for. So I am going to do another video that goes over, how to, build your Instagram or YouTube and things like that. But for now, I'm just going to go over exactly how you can make money on Amazon if you already are in that field of posting links and things like that, okay? Or learning, okay? So I'm going to go here. Let me blow this up. Alrighty. So first and foremost, you're going to go to Amazon. You can put in Google or Yahoo, Amazon Associates, and then that will take you here. Okay, so you're going to sign up and you're going to create an account. Now the account is immediate. You don't have to wait for a referral, approval or anything like that. And you see here, you can earn up to 10% with Amazon. Okay, and that's just posting everyday things that you find on Amazon. You can post them and you can make money. Okay, now different things have different commission rates. That's why it says earn up to 10%, right? So let's say, for instance, boom, you signed up and so on and so forth. Okay, now you can use your Amazon email that you use when you shop on Amazon, or you can create a brand new one. Okay, so once you're here, this will be your Amazon Associates dashboard. Okay, now a really good way to make money with them, I'm going to show you first and foremost before we dive into the products, is what we call the Amazon bounties. Okay, so you see here it says total bounties. Now I just created this account because once you see your account, you're going to see it kind of shows your personal information at the top, and I didn't really want my personal information revealed, so I just created a brand new one just to show you different things on here. So if you see this being 0, don't be alarmed. This is just something I created today. Okay, now the bounties, let's get right into that. If you go over here and you click on Amazon Bounty Program, okay? Now, you've probably seen this plenty of times on people's pages, but not known that, maybe they were making money or whatever the case, okay? So when you see people post things like, oh, head over to Prime and you can get a free trial or music or any of these type of programs, those are what Amazon calls in the affiliate program bounties, okay? And you get paid per sign up. Okay, so let's say, for instance, here you have the Amazon Prime. You might see people advertising, oh, you can get Amazon Prime if you have a valid EBT card. So you would just basically post this on your page or wherever you want to post this, send it to friends, whatever, and then you would click here and you would get your special link that you would share. Okay, now if you are not already posting links on Instagram, the first thing you want to do is go to a site, maybe like campsite.bio. That's camp, CAMP.bio, or tap link, or just find, you can Google link in bios. A very popular one is Campsite because you're able to post images as well. So a lot of people like that, and it kind of reminds them of Instagram. Instead of them having to read a bunch of stuff, it lets you post the pictures as well. Okay, so you want to get that so you'll be able to post multiple links in your bio, because on Instagram, you're only able to post one. Okay, so once you get your special link, sorry, it's blocking me. 1 second. My computer blocks every single thing. Okay, so once you get your special link, You will go to campsite bio, and you don't want to post this whole thing. So this is HTML. So if you have your own website, if you copy this link right here, the code, you will post that on your website, and it will give you the image, plus it will give you this image here. Sorry, it will give you this image here plus the link. Okay, so they'll be able to click dead on the image if you have like your own website. But the good thing about this is that you don't need any money to start up. You don't need a website. You can just start posting right now today. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on short links, so you could just get this small little link. You don't have all that to post. You copy and paste it, and you post it where you want people to access it. Okay, that is one way that you can post different things. So you can leave these like in your bio, and anytime somebody clicks on it and purchases it, then you get paid. And then it should tell me, if you click on see all bounties, it'll tell you how much you get paid per bounty. Okay, so see here, if someone signs up for Amazon Business, you have that link and they just click on it, then you earn $15 per sign up. Okay, now with these bounties, I would suggest that you probably leave these at the top of your campsite bio, or whatever link you decide to use, your website, whatever, because like I said, we want to create passive income. So while you're asleep, if someone goes to your link and they're like, oh my goodness, I can click on Amazon Business account, I can create one, wow, okay, let me get that. They'll sign up, boom, you just made $15 while you were sleeping. Okay, and the same thing here. So all these free trials that you offer to people, and it benefits you because you get paid, and it benefits them because they get something for free, and everybody loves something for free. Okay, so that is that. Now let's get into the products, okay, that you'll be posting. So if you want to go, let's say if you're in your Centrals account, you can go to Amazon promo codes, and if you scroll down, it will show you all these items here, all these items that you can find on a daily basis. Okay, and you would just post these, same thing, you would get the link. And once okay, now when I go here, I don't see the hold on one second. So you post the link here, and you see you have the promo code here. So you would get your link, and then you will put your promo code wherever you like to put it. Okay, and that's that. Now also, that's just for like the promotional items that they have. Sometimes they're limited and things like that, but you can find different items here even for yourself. Okay, now when you go to Amazon.com, let's just say that we wanted to go to like, how do I move this? Let's just say, this is annoying, that I want to go to Amazon.com. I'm like, okay, I don't find anything on this page that I want. I don't want to post any of this stuff. I want to go straight to Amazon and post something from there. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to post this light or this plug, right? Or this doorbell. Okay, so what you would do is, if you are on a desktop or you're on the Amazon desktop site from your phone, all you have to do is click on this image, and then you click text link, or you click the get link right here. You click text, and then it gives you your link right here. Sorry, I just made up this name, Jeff Big Butt. I don't know, it's what came to mind. So you would copy that, and then you would just copy and paste it wherever you want people to click on it. Okay, also, if you are not in the desktop site and you just want to post a random item, okay, and you don't have access to the desktop, so let's just say, for instance, we're going to go back to that Ring doorbell, right? Now you want to post the Ring doorbell. What you would do is, you can do this, I guess, a couple of ways. All you want from this whole entire link that's in the URL is the is it BSN or ISN, whatever this number is called, I forgot. IBSN, I'll tell you right now what it's called, I forgot. But you want to copy that number only, and then you'll go back to your Centrals account, you'll click on product linking. Oh, ASIN. Okay, I had that all wrong. Okay, so you would take that number. Did I copy it? I don't think I copied it. So you would copy that, and then you would come back to your Amazon Centrals account, and you would paste it here, right? Once you paste it there, that's all you want, not that forward slash. Once you paste it there, the product comes here, and then you will click get link, okay? And then that will give you the link to the product. So you can post whatever your heart desires off of Amazon. So you can do the text with the image, you can do the text only and post your own picture. And remember, I said you want to shorten up the link, or you can go to the image only and just get that, okay? So they have different options for you. And then that's pretty much it, and that's pretty much all. And then once you come here, when you go home, this will be your dashboard. Oh, and you could put it here too, that whatever number it is, ASIN, you could put that here too, and it will give you the same thing, okay? Now, on a daily basis, Amazon pays out, I believe, every 60 days. So just like a job, when they pay like every 2 weeks or 1 week or whatever, you have to do like that week in the hole. Okay, Amazon is the same way. So you do have to wait 60 days for your first payment, and they pay, and it's whatever you made for that month. So let's just say we start August 1st, okay? August 1st, you make however much you want to make through all the way until August 30th, okay? Or August 31st. So once you do that, then you'll see your revenue adding up here, okay? But you won't receive that check for August until October. Now, when you receive that check in October, that'll be your first check. If you stay consistent after August, you post in September, then September's check will be November. So they will start coming monthly after you do the 2 weeks in the hole. But the payout, whatever check you get, is 2 weeks prior. I hope that made sense. So if you start in August, you'll get paid in October. September will be November, and so on and so forth, okay? But once you start posting consistently, you will get checks every single month after the first 2 months. And that's pretty much it, and that's pretty much all. And you will see everything here, your total bounties, every time someone signs up for Prime and so on and so forth, you'll see that here. The total fees, that's just basically what you made off of the product itself, whatever the percentage is. And then there was one thing other I wanted to show you regarding how much you're getting paid, like the percentage, right here. So if you click on this, it tells you here. So I clicked on help and I went to advertising fee schedule. So if you go here, you can scroll down and you can get to, you see it says luxury beauty Amazon coins will be 10%. And then it drops and drops, or whatever the case, okay? Now you see electronics is only 2.5 and so on and so forth. So when it comes to this stuff, the percentage is not that high, but if you're consistent and you keep posting, then you will get it. Look, the Amazon baby registry is $3 per person. It's not a percentage. You get paid $3 every time someone signs up. So like I said, you can share your links everywhere. You can even be creative and do like YouTube videos, where the YouTube videos where you're unboxing things. Order something for yourself, order a Ring doorbell, not something like that, but something new or whatever, and unbox it and say, you know what, I love this item, it's so cool, blah blah blah. You can start growing your YouTube, just unpackaging things, and you can make money off of YouTube. Plus, you can make money off of Amazon, because what you do is you put your Amazon link down in the description. So you say, okay, guys, if you want this item, go ahead and click down below. I have a link there. People will click on it and they will purchase. Okay. So that's 2 passive incomes that I've just told you in one video, So definitely, take advantage of that, especially with everything going on. It's always better to have more money than none. So technically, this is the way to go if you want to start working from home and you have no other options, okay? And I think that will be it, and that is all. I don't think we should drag this video out, because it's pretty simple. So I do wish you all the best of luck in your Amazon associates journey. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and drop them down below. And please don't forget that I am not charging for this information. All I ask is that you please give me just a little like if you learned anything, and subscribe to this channel, because I am new to the YouTube family, okay? And that is it, and that is all. And tell a friend as well, okay? This is Cutie Coupons, and I'm checking out.
y'all go ahead and hit the cutie one time. Hey, hit the cutie, hit the cutie. Don't be scared, go ahead, shake your booty. Not a lot, just a little, just enough for it to wiggle.